gardening is just out there on the balcony. It's quite a nice surrounding. See other buildings. I can never get this floor to be totally clean because I water the plants. When I water the plants, the water comes out from the bottom, and then there's always sand blowing everywhere from I don't know where. I really like that, this one. So these are the conditions of my plant. You see from the heat, it's a little bit heated up. I've been moving it around. That's my main plant. This is a big one. I bought it here, so I've been using it to shelter the smaller plants. Oh, and this is chili. I bought it from here. I don't know why. I find it amazing how it grows that way, upwards. And this one, still no new leaf. This is okay, it's thriving, it's green. Sansevieria, well, very hardy plants. These are new leaves actually. This one is starting to green. Wow! Look at that mushroom. I just saw that. And this is my chili plant from Malaysia. My monstera, no new leaves. This monstera, however, has got many new leaves on this side. These are all new leaves. They unfurl. I'm not sure if there's any new ones. I don't think so. This is again from the heat. This money plant not doing so well right now. No new leaves. Looking like it's about to die. This is okay after the cotton pads. Slightly better. This one, no new leaves. And my serai. I don't know, what do you call it? Lemongrass? Serai. It's growing well. And that's my pile of compost. If you see it fly, it's not because of my compost, it's just everywhere. The fly is everywhere. Okay, I made a video earlier. I think it's just really dry. I've been watering daily, at least once, and this is the condition. I think it's still just seed and soil, nothing's happening. So I don't know, I'll Google more about it. I don't think it's gonna go into a plant. Oh well.